Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see what are the difference between HashMap and concurrent HashMap. So most of you know about HashMap, but many of you don't know concurrent HashMap. So here I am going to give the clear view of concurrent HashMap as well. So let's begin this video. So HashMap is a collection used to store the key value pair in Java, and on the other hand, concurrent HashMap also have the same feature. So both of these are has the similar feature, but somehow it has some variation, so I'll address those difference. In HashMap, it is not synchronized class, okay, and the other hand concurrent HashMap is synchronized collection class in Java, okay. HashMap is non-thread safe. On the other hand, concurrent HashMap is thread safe, specially designed for use in multi-threaded and concurrent environment. Okay, yeah. In HashMap, it allows to store null values and keys. Okay. On the other hand, concurrent HashMap does not allow null key and values. I will give you the example while coding. So after finishing this definition, okay. And the HashMap is introduced in Java 2 JDK 1.2 version, and concurrent HashMap is introduced in Java 5 JDK 1.5 version. Okay, these are the key points you may supposed to answer in any of the interviews, or whenever you are giving the answer at anywhere. Okay, so we will see the code of HashMap and concurrent HashMap right now. And as I told you before, HashMap, concurrent HashMap is introduced as an alternative to the HashMap, okay, because it is not synchronized, so we can't use this in a multi-threaded environment. So that's why this is specifically designed to use multi-threaded environment, concurrent environment, right? Okay, that is the major difference between HashMap and concurrent HashMap. Okay, we will see the sample code and we will execute them and see the similar one difference. Okay, it will take a long time to explain all of those difference in code. I will give you one explanation, so that will be enough. So I'm going to create the class HashMap and integer generic. So you can put this or you can leave this, that is not a problem, it will never throw the error. And yeah, so right now you need to import the package in here. Yeah, that's it. So we will add some elements in this HashMap. So for that we have to use the put method. One okay, okay, we give the three key pair elements. So here we are going to put the null, key and value. Let's see. Yeah, initially it is, yeah, it has initialized the null value. Okay, fine, we are going to print this out. What is the object name? Yeah, so now we are going to write the concurrent HashMap. We will see the difference after execution of both collection. Okay, I wrote the code in here. Okay, I'm going to import the package now. Yeah, is there any mistake in here? Concurrent hash map, right? Yeah, that's cool. So I'm going to re-enter this concurrent hash map. Okay, we have similar elements on both collection class. Here I'm going to print this and we will see the difference right now. Okay guys, I wrote the code, entire code, so we will see the difference. Okay, sorry, yeah, let's see the code. The hash map has successfully printed, right? But the concurrent hash map doesn't printed successfully. What is the reason? Exact reason? Because as I told you before, I gave the definition here. Hash map allows to store null values and keys, and on the other hand, concurrent hash map does not allow null key and value. Okay, we can either we can give both key and value as null, no problem in hash map. And yeah, in concurrent hash map we can't put the null value. Okay, we have to give some elements that are going to be valid. Okay, okay, let's see the difference right now. Yeah, now the code has no error. The both codes has been successfully printed here, so you can see. Yeah, I shown you the one example for this, so you can try it out in your machine, so you can see the difference. And you need to answer this difference while giving the answer at anywhere. Okay, that are going to be interview classroom. So these are major difference between hash map and concurrent hash map. I gave you one example. So if there are you need to put a code and give the similar small or one difference between a hash map and concurrent hash map, you can do like this. You can put null in hash map and you can put in null as well in concurrent hash map. So there you can give the explanation. Okay, so it is not allow, you know, the null key and value in concurrent hash map. I hope I gave the clear explanation about hash map and concurrent hash map. So I'm going to post a lot of videos that are those videos going to be help you a lot in interviews. So I will cover those videos. What are the questions are very frequently asked in interviews, so you can follow our channel so you can get a lot of updates regarding job interviews and important topics in Java. So I will see in the next video. So if you are new to my channel, so do subscribe. So let's see in the next video. Thanks for watching.